Well, if you're into doing stuff, you need a van that's into doing stuff too, and this thing's gonna do it. It's a high roof, long wheelbase, 148-inch wheelbase. Transit van with a 3.7 V6 engine. And you can see stepping up in here, it's got that high durability vinyl interior. You can see the layout on the dash there. Just 84,000 miles on this van. And you can see it's got the automatic transmission, of course, 6-speed with the shifter. There's your air conditioning. And it's even got a pass-through to the cargo area, which is really handy. The barn doors on the back swing open. This one's still got some shelving inside it, so you can utilize that or you can scrap it. It's up to you. It's really nicely set up there. It's got the gate, the door to the driver section, and the sliding door on the passenger side to give you a full access there. You're going to want to come check this thing out. Next Level in Hillsboro.